What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can get the Black Oath Shield in Crimson Desert. Here's another shield for you to collect. This light shield offers 5 points in defense with a level 1 attack speed and movement speed boost. The Abyss gears provide damage reduction 1 and a 3% guard stamina cost reduction. You'll find this shield inside Elysia's Korthak region. It's directly to the bottom right of the Gate of Peace, below the bridge to its southern gate. When you're at the designated bridge, face south, look below the edge of it, and you'll find this underground entrance. Glide down and go inside that entrance. Take the first right corridor you'll encounter, and as you descend, watch out for the tripwire. Jump over it and sprint to the other side. After going through the door, turn right and you'll find the next hallway with the ball traps. Just make a break for it, and when you reach the next intersection, take the left path and you'll find a dead end with a lever on the wall. Pull that lever to open the secret door. And on the next room is the shield on top of the altar. Just take it, then it's yours to keep. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.